Hello traders. Today is the 13th of August 2011, and happy Saturday to you all. This video is about Forex specialist trading. What is Forex specialist trading? Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. For every trade, we will use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only. It is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay. Talking about specialist trading, especially talking about Forex specialist trading, we will focus on the Swiss francs. Okay, for those of you who know about Switzerland, Switzerland is a very small country in Europe. If you do not live in Europe, right here, squeezed between France, okay, Germany, okay, Austria, okay, and Italy. Okay, this is here where I'm moving my cursor here on this Google map. This small, tiny country here. As a specialist Swiss franc trader, you will pay attention to the fundamental of this country, how the economy functions, what influence their currency, and to understand how to trade this currency pair. Now, this Swiss franc, okay. Now, some traders may be wondering why we are doing this sort of video, because as a trader you should have a kind of speciality. We know some traders always trade Dow Jones, some traders always trade S&P 500, some traders always trade the Euro USD, some traders always trade Apple, some traders always trade Google, and this is their specialty, and they will understand clearly the fundamental and also the technical key level, talking about small medium line, critical price level, all the patterns. They will know about that particular financial instrument. If you are a new trader, it's very important to choose one financial instrument and to trade it until you become expert of that particular financial instrument. In this video, we will talk about Forex specialist trader, focusing on the Swiss franc currency. Okay, so the Switzerland is a small country here, Swiss between France. Okay, from Germany, from Munich. Okay, if you go to October 1st in Germany, okay, from Munich it's not far to go to Switzerland. If you are in Austria also, okay, you can quickly move from Austria to Switzerland. Italy, from Milan, you can go from Milan very fast to Switzerland. And also if you are France, from Lyon, okay, you can Besançon, also you can go to Switzerland, very small tiny country here. So this is it from Google Map for you. Okay, now this is the USD, this is the Euro Swiss franc currency pair. As you can see on this daily chart, it was going down. Okay, if you understand the fundamental that govern this currency pair, the Euro Swiss franc currency pair, normally I do not trade this currency pair, but when you see, this is what I'm talking about, when you see a volatility in the market, when you see a fear in the market, you must remember, okay, the Swiss franc currency pair. Very often, if there is no trouble in the world, okay, if there's no bad news in the world, if you don't see the stock market crashing, okay, usually this currency pair is very, very boring currency pair. But whenever you see a volatility in the market, when you see money coming out of the stock market, when you see the stock market crashing down, when you see a lot of panic, okay, in the market, you must, my apology for that, you must quickly pay attention to the Euro Swiss franc currency pair. Talking about the Swiss franc currency pair, the Euro Swiss franc will be very exciting during market disturbance time, during market volatility times, during uncertainty period, during fear period, when, okay, the market is the money is coming out of the stock market. Usually investor will take money out of the dollar and put it into a Swiss bank. Okay, now another currency pair is the the dollar Swiss franc currency pair, very often this currency pair will move in the opposite direction to the euro USD. This is one of the reasons why the euro is not going down, because traders are selling the dollar Swiss franc currency pair. But there is another reason why they should sell this currency pair, because money is coming out of the dollar into the Swiss franc currency pair. Therefore, traders should sell the dollar Swiss franc currency pair. But because traders are trading in basket, which means they have a basket of currency pair, so when they sell the dollar Swiss franc, they are buying the euro USD. But in fact, they are using the correlation wrongly, because at this point in time, it's perfectly okay to sell the euro USD currency pair and to sell the dollar Swiss franc currency pair. But because traders have difficulties to understand that sometimes you can perfectly sell these two currency pair, the dollar Swiss franc and the euro USD currency pair, at the same time, they are selling the dollar Swiss franc and buying the euro USD. In my view, at this point in time, we should be selling the euro USD at the same time selling the dollar Swiss franc. Normally we shouldn't, but in this case we should. Right, money is coming out of the dollar because if the US economy is not performing very well, money will go in Switzerland. Okay, remember that. So when you see during 2008 we see excellent momentum in this Swiss franc currency. Okay, so every currency pair, any currency pair connected to the Swiss franc, you should be busy trading it during market volatility and also market uncertainty, as you have seen last week. And since March 2011, you can see that traders were busy selling this currency pair. Very, like I said to you before, in normal economic condition, this is a very boring currency pair sometimes. Okay, especially I'm not talking about the dollar Swiss franc, but especially the euro Swiss franc currency pair, the euro Swiss franc currency pair. Because of the sovereign debts regarding the Eurozone, talking about Ireland, talking about Portugal, talking about Italy, talking about Greece, the sovereign debt, traders want to sell the euro, money coming out of the euro, going into Switzerland. Therefore, the euro Swiss franc currency pair is going down because of the fundamental. If you want to become a Forex, especially trader, you must understand the fundamentals that govern the currency pair. If you want to trade the euro Swiss franc or any currency pair connected to the Swiss franc, you must understand the fundamental and the economy of Switzerland. This is very, very important, especially for those who are new traders. I invite you slowly but surely to start paying attention to the fundamental, which means if you have a Galaxy Tab, you have iPad, you have a smartphone, you may perfectly download Google Finance. Go to www.google.com, look for Google Finance on your smartphone or on your tablet, download the application for Google Finance. Excellent news. Pay attention to the news, because they have a section for the portfolio, a section for the market, and a section for the news. I'm talking here about a section regarding the news. That's where you will learn more about the fundamental, the news that are coming out. Another application that you can download on your smartphone or on your tablet is the Financial Times, www.ft.com. Foxtrot Tango, ft.com, and you download the application for Financial Times on your smartphone or your tablet, paying attention to the news to understand the fundamental. If you want to become a Forex specialist trader, you must understand the fundamental. So, regarding the Swiss franc, when there is a volatility in the market, when there is a fear, when the stock market is going down, when the US economy is performing poorly, when the global economy is in a downtrend, money will move into Swiss franc. It's a very small country. But another thing you have to remember, recently, because a lot of money is going to Switzerland, a lot of money is going to, liquidity is going to Switzerland, their currency is being highly appreciated, creating a lot of problem for their government, which means their goods become more expensive compared to the competitor. Sometimes you may see the government recently intervene, cutting the interest rates in order to devalue, their currency. You'll see that very often. The same thing is happening in Brazil right now. So I invite you to pay attention to the fundamental if you want to become a specialist trader. This is a quick video regarding the Swiss franc and becoming also a Forex specialist trader. I hope you enjoyed this video regarding the Forex specialist trader. Paying attention to the fundamental, the news that can change the dynamics of a currency pair. In the banks, very often you will see there is a section specialist only for Euro USD, specialist only for the dollar Swiss franc. You may also see a section in the bank that is a specialist of gold, specialist of crude oil, specialist of one particular financial instrument. It is important, if you are a new trader, to pick one financial instrument and to learn to master that financial instrument in order to become a specialist trader in that particular financial instrument. Myself, I consider myself as a specialist of the Euro USD. As I start trading first, I was trading the Dow Jones and all the major indices, but when I realized that I was making a lot, I could not achieve consistent winning trade, I pulled myself back into the Euro USD currency pair, which I have been trading for all the time, day in, day out, all the time Euro USD, until I consider myself as a Euro USD specialist trader. I invite you also to pick one financial instrument and to learn to master it in order to become a specialist trader in that particular financial instrument. This video is about Forex specialist trading, and I hope you enjoyed this video, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW SYS 08 traders.